The ClearCheckbook Android app is a simple and easy-to-use companion to the full ClearCheckbook website. This video gives a quick overview of many of the main features of the app. If you're looking for more information about how to use the ClearCheckbook app, check out the help section at ClearCheckbook.com. When you log into the app, you'll see your overall balances at the top of the screen with the list of all your accounts shown below that. In this example, I've created different account groups to help organize my accounts. Clicking on an account will take you to a list of all transactions associated with that account. Selecting a transaction will load the Edit Transaction form where you can see all of the information about the transaction as well as edit it. To add a new transaction, click the plus button at the bottom right side of the screen. This will open the Add Transaction form where you can enter the details of the new transaction. We have a recurring transactions and bill tracker tool built into the app. To see these, click on the Scheduled menu item at the bottom of the page. The first screen to load will be the Reminders and Recurring Transactions list. You can see all of your upcoming scheduled transactions and reminders here. Clicking on the plus sign at the bottom right side of the screen is how you can add a new one. To view the bill tracker, click on the Bills menu item at the top of the page. The bill tracker is a tool that helps you manage when your monthly bills have been paid. Overdue bills are shown in red while future bills are in blue. To mark a bill as paid, click the Pay button. You can either create an associated transaction that will show up in your register, or just mark it as paid within the bill tracker itself. To find the Budgets and Spending Tracker, click on the Budgets menu item at the bottom of the page. The Spending Tracker is a tool that helps you track your spending based on different time periods and various income amounts you've set up. This is a great way to keep your spending in check. Clicking on the More button at the bottom right side of the app will load some more options. From this page you can lock the app, which requires either a PIN code or biometric reading to open the app. The Settings page is where you can control the behavior of the app. Remember the Main Accounts page that loaded at the beginning of the video? We also have a dashboard view which can be turned on here. The dashboard is a way to quickly see all of your financial information directly from the dashboard. You can configure which gadgets you want shown as well as the order they appear in by clicking on the gear icon at the top of the page. Clicking on the user icon at the top right side of the dashboard will take you to the More page. The last thing we'll check out is the Estimate Future Balances tool. This tool lets you see what your balances will look like at a future date by taking your upcoming recurring transactions and unpaid bills into consideration. You'll see a report as well as a list of all the upcoming transactions that adjust the balance. The ClearCheckbook app has a one-time $5 mobile premium upgrade available that gives the app several new features and settings. Some of what was shown in this video are only available to customers who have either the full ClearCheckbook Premium or Mobile Premium membership. If you have more questions about the ClearCheckbook Android app, check out the help section at ClearCheckbook.com.